The 4th of July is the United States' celebration of its independence from England.
It is the day when the Declaration of Independence was adopted by the new country's forefathers, and is a national holiday.
It has been celebrated every year since 1776.
Americans hold this day as one of the most revered holidays in the country.
Independence Day celebrations include fireworks shows that are held by various organizations throughout the country.
The shows are held at stadiums, recreational parks, and private homes. Additionally, many businesses have giveaways and special discounts for all residents on this day. The fireworks shows are best at stadiums, where they attract a large number of people.
This is a recent change in the way Americans celebrate the day.
In the past, most people bought their own fireworks from vendors who sell their goods in supermarket parking lots. The reason many cities no longer allow the sales or use of fireworks is because of the fire hazards they pose. This is why the large, professional celebration stadiums and parks have become popular in recent years.
Of course, many people still celebrate at home though.
There are some cities where sales and use of fireworks are still legal, and many Americans take full advantage of this.
Another 4th of July tradition is the backyard barbecue. The holiday occurs in the middle of summer, and Americans love to grill outdoors to avoid the heat inside the house.
Hamburgers and hot dogs are the food of choice, but steaks are also prepared often.